Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. CapCut has quickly become one of the most popular video editing tools, loved for its user-friendly interface and popular features both on mobile and desktop. This beginner's tutorial will guide you step by step through the essential editing functions. Whether you are on your phone or computer, the core principles are the same, though the interface might look slightly different. We will just use CapCut PC for this. The first part, getting started, that is setting up your project. Go ahead and first download and open CapCut. So you can download the CapCut desktop application here from the official CapCut website right here, www.capcut.com. And just follow the simple installation process and you'll be done. Now go ahead and open the application. In here, click on this Create Project. You'll now need to import your media. This is where you bring in your video clips and photos. In the media panel, this is here at the top left corner. Click Import to browse your computer's files. Now go ahead and click on the file you want imported, and once imported into the media panel, drag your clips one by one onto the timeline here at the bottom to start building your video. The second part is essential basic editing tools or techniques here. We have trimming and splitting clips. This is the foundation of editing. Trimming is the first one. Click a clip on the timeline here. Hover your mouse over the beginning or the end of the clip until your cursor changes to a double-edged arrow like this. And then click and drag inward to trim. Splitting is also key. That is cutting a clip into two. Place the playhead here again at the desired cut point. Click the selected clip as well, and then click this split icon above the timeline. This looks like these two overlapping squares. Now go ahead and delete the segment that you don't want. After splitting, tap the unwanted segment and then hit delete key on your keyboard. Let's also adjust the clip volume. Select a clip with the right hand properties panel, go to the audio tab here, and then adjust the volume slider. You can also drag the horizontal line on the clip's waveform itself. Adding music and sound effects is also a key editing tool. Go to the audio tab here in the top left panel, browse music or sound effects, drag your chosen audio track down to an audio track here on the timeline. Also, adding text and captions is key. Go to the text tab here in the top left panel. Default text, drag this to a video track above your main video. Type your text in the right hand properties panel here. You can also add text templates or auto captions right here. Similar options are also in the mobile. Now customize the text. Once text is added, select it. You'll get options here to change font, style or color, size, stroke, shadow, and even add glow. You can also add animation, that is how text appears or disappears, and bubble or backgrounds in the respective panels here. Also, we have adding overlays, which is picture in picture. Overlays allow you to layer videos or images on top of your main footage. Import your overlay media into the media panel. For instance, I'll use this logo. Now go ahead and drag it to a new video track above your main video on the timeline. You can also edit the overlay. Select the overlay. You can resize, reposition, and even rotate or drag corners of edges in the preview window right here, and adjust properties like opacity and blend mode here at the right hand panel. We also can apply effects and filters. Effects, these add dynamic visual flair to your video. Go to the effects tab here in the top left panel, drag an effect onto a clip or onto the effect track above your video. For filters, these are quick color grading presets to change the overall mood. Just have a look at this. You can also adjust intensity or duration. After applying, select the effect or filter on the timeline and adjust its intensity or duration in the contextual toolbar or properties panel here at the right side. We can also add transitions between clips. Transitions smooth the cut between two clips. Click the transition tab here in the top left panel and drag a transition between clips. Choose and adjust. Browse categories, e.g. motion, camera, light. Tap or click to preview like this. And then you can also adjust the duration of the transition as well. Adjusting speed, that is slow motion and fast motion. Select a clip, go to the speed tab in the right hand properties panel here. Offers normal and curve options similar to mobile as well. Enable smooth slow-mo for battery slow motion. We also have color correction and adjustments. Select a clip, go to the adjustments tab in the right hand properties panel. You have precise control over many parameters including curves and HSL. You can also undo or redo. Use the standard keyboard shortcuts, that is Ctrl plus Z for Windows, Command plus Z for Mac for undo, or Ctrl plus Shift plus Z for Windows, or Command plus Shift plus Z on Mac for redo. We now need to export your finished video. Once your masterpiece is ready, tap or click the export icon here at the top right corner. Adjust export settings, that is the resolution. Choose your desired quality, e.g. 720p or 1080p or even 4K. For frame rate, 30 FPS is standard or 60 FPS for smoother motion and good for action. Code rate or quality, usually recommended or high for better quality. This one results in a larger file size as well. Format MP4 is the most common and compatible. Tap or click export. So CapCut will render your video and you can see the progress here. And we have some share options. Your video will also be saved to your device's gallery or a specified folder on your computer. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.